This tin is either a massive win or a complete waste. This is the Mega Charizard X tin, hard to find. We got ours from Amazon, so stick about and watch us unpack it. Everything
really?
comes with 4 packs and 1 delicious promo card. Always nervous pulling these promo cards out because they're so awkwardly put in there. Now, I was on the assumption that the cards were all going to be Phantasmal Flames, but they're not. We got Journey Together, Mega Evolution, and then 2 Phantasmal Flames. Finding that out was a bit upsetting because it's less chances of getting that beautiful Mega Charizard X card. That is what I'm really chasing. But anyway, let's get unpacked. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. We're on episode 40 on our YouTube shorts.
Yeah, I don't think they did.
Oh no.
Grimmsnarl, not bad. Okay, time for the final card. Have we got anything? No, we have not, but that's not too bad. Okay, pack 2. I think the Mega Lucario is the chase card in this set. Be sure to get your Amazon invites out, get your friends and family to do it for you too, because you'll get it at a sensible price, and you will get something. That's how I got this tin. Okay, back to the pack. What have we got? Not bad. Oh, I can see a very special card. Here we go. Wow, the Fighting Gong. I'll take that.
Not bad.
So 2 to go, 2 down. One's been pretty good and the other one's been pretty poor. But can we get this £500 Charizard in this pack? Because this is Phantasmal Flames.
Now that's a delicious card.
Decent card, just too many of them. Okay, what do we got? Okay, that's not exciting. Holy mackerel. Let's see if pack 4 is any better for us. We need some luck. I don't know about you in your local area, but I cannot find any Phantasmal booster packs anywhere. It's impossible to rip them. And when you do rip them, it's a high chance of a lot of doubles, being a small set, of course. Well, that's disappointing. If it weren't for that promo card and Fighting Gong, I think I would be extremely upset. But do check us out. We'll see you on the next review.
Yeah, baby.